On August 2025, I returned to Japan and used Visit Japan Web at Haneda Airport Terminal 3. When the plane landed at Haneda, I opened a screenshot of my Visit Japan Web QR codes. Right after stepping into the terminal, I saw the newest One Stop Kiosk that allows travelers to pre-submit immigration and customs data using Visit Japan Web. Unfortunately, at this time, only Japanese nationals can use the kiosk. If you're not Japanese, skip ahead to the next part of the video by clicking on the next section from the description. For Japanese travelers, here's how to use it and skip the long lines. Step 1. Scan your Visit Japan Web QR code, then your passport. Submit your disembarkation card and customs declaration. Next, scan both index fingers and the system will capture your face image. After completing all procedures, the screen will direct you to Gate A. Step 2. Proceed to the dedicated lane called Priority A. At immigration inspection, simply show your passport. Step 3. Pick up your luggage from the conveyor belt. Then, head to the A and D gate for the electronic customs declaration area. For foreign travelers, if you're not Japanese, here's what you need to do. Step 1. At immigration, line up for an inspector. Present your passport and Visit Japan Web QR code and register your biometric data. If you already have a re-entry permit, you don't need to show the Visit Japan Web QR code. Step 2. While waiting for your luggage, look for the customs declaration machine. There, scan your passport and Visit Japan Web QR code to submit your declaration. Once finished, grab your luggage from the conveyor, then proceed to the gate shown on the screen. If your passport does not contain an IC chip, you'll be directed to Gate C, which is the same line as travelers not using Visit Japan Web. Just show your passport to the inspector and exit. If your passport does contain an IC chip, you can use electronic Gate A and D and exit smoothly. And that's how you use Visit Japan Web when arriving at Haneda Airport Terminal 3 in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Japan travel guides.